Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 online. First, you will need to download Counter-Strike 2 from the Steam platform, which is completely free. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. If you do not have one, create a Steam account. Once installed, simply launch the game and you will be ready to explore the main menu and begin your journey. Counter-Strike 2 offers several exciting game modes to suit every playstyle. Competitive mode is the classic 5 vs 5 experience, where strategy and teamwork are key to victory. For a more relaxed session, casual mode features larger teams and less pressure. If you want to hone your shooting skills, Deathmatch provides instant respawns and constant action. Choose the mode that best fits your mood and jump right in. Mastering the basics is crucial for success in Counter-Strike 2. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for movement, aiming, and shooting. Practice controlling weapon recoil and understanding bullets spread for different firearms. The in-game economy system is vital. Learn when to buy powerful weapons and utility. Effective communication with your teammates, often through voice chat, will significantly increase your chances of winning rounds and matches. To truly excel in Counter-Strike 2, continuous improvement is key. Observe professional players to grasp advanced tactics and map rotations. Dedicate time to regular practice, focusing on your aim, movement, and understanding of each map's layout. Consider joining community servers for diverse gameplay experiences and to meet new players. Staying informed about game updates and balance changes will also keep you ahead of the curve and improve your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.